If you are a yam lover like me, you are in for a treat. This satisfying yam porridge will surely put you in a good mood and will be your favorite. It's a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and mineral. The best part is it's really easy to make, so you can enjoy it as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Hey Clara's Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Please stay tuned. Let me show you how I make this sumptuous yam porridge. Let's get started. You will need these few ingredients here. Firstly, you need to select the right type of yam. Peel and chop it into manageable pieces. Go ahead and wash it. Set a clean pot on your gas cooker. Pour in your washed yam, add little water and little salt. Cover and allow to cook. While the yam is on fire, remove the vegetables from its stem. I used green vegetable and scent leaf. Chop the vegetables into very tiny pieces or as you like. If you're new here, you're highly welcome to Clara's Kitchen. Here we give out easy step-by-step, superb healthy recipe for a good living. Please join the family by clicking on subscription button or turning on your notification bell to see our new videos anytime it drops. Thank you as you do so. Go ahead and wash the vegetables separately with a large amount of water and little salt. Wash your skull bonnet peppers and grind into paste. Chop the onions into tiny pieces too. Into a clean pot, pour in the ugba. Go in with the chopped onions and the grinded pepper. Add little salt and the seasoning cube. And finally, a little amount of water. Cover to steam for 1 minute. After 1 minute, stir and cover for another 1 minute. And finally, add in the scent leaf, cover and bring down from the heat. At this point, the yam is well cooked, very soft and tender. You go in with the palm oil. Go in with the ugba sauce, turn to combine them. And lastly, the vegetables. Turn till it is well combined. If you watched till this point, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share to your loved ones and family, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more. The final dish is not only delicious, but it's also visually appealing. The aromas are incredible. When you take the first bite, the flavor just explodes in your mouth and you can't help but go for more. Hope you enjoy watching this video and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you. As a yam lover, I feel this is the best way to enjoy this meal in a way that pleases the Lord. See you on my next video. Bye.